Hello everyone, my name is Lee. I'm from Social Bureau. Today I will take you a deep dive into our platform and show you a demonstrations of how to use. First, before we need to connect it using Cloud Wallet. In this video, we are going to use MetaMask for our connections. Once connected, the platform will prompt you to sign a signature request. This is where our system initializes user use profile, ensuring that your encryption secret key is securely generated. After first user have initialized, we waiting for the second user to connect their wallet and make sure they initialize their use. We will notice the number of the wallet address appear on this screen. Now, user can copy the wallet address to start the chat. For this demo, we switch account between the one user and the second user how to see the both of the user to chatting on the upper platform. And that's it. The user will need to copy contract address to bring the chat. Next, you will need to initialize the chat which the request signing the contact through the MetaMask wallet just a moment. Next, you will need to initialize the chat which request signing a contact through the MetaMask wallet. Now you will see the success chat initialize pop up the message, right? You can start the chatting right away. You will notice on our system of the real-time chat with the end-to-encrypt user encryption over Web3. Now you will see that the show the messaging texting with the both of the user. They can title anything and they can attach file, so anything, right? Image and any file, video, PDF, Word. So any file they can attach and can send to each other. Imagine when you close the system and come back to the chat. The system will retrieve the key from the smart contract and decrypt it will be used by the wallet. Ensure that your message and your data remain secure and intact. This chat system is very highly secure and far more private than other messaging platforms. In conclusion, our project demonstrates how to this technology beyond and make adoption with the Web2. The messaging platform will provide an extensive more opportunity for the future of this innovation.